Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell ebooks on TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing I'd like you to do is to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have homepage, others, product marketing, affiliates, live and video, growth center, analytics, account health, and finance. Head over to product and click on products. So click on manage products. Once you select manage products, it's going to take you here. Click on add new product. So that's going to take us to this window. You're going to add the product image, that's your ebook image. Now you need to add at least 5 images to adequately represent your product. So select upload main image and add pictures of your ebook. Now ensure that it is in this format and it's in this dimension and it's in this size. If not, the picture is not going to be accepted. Now the next thing you need to do is to enter your product name. So in this product name, because I want my product to be displayed in the category, I'm going to say ebook, and because it has to be 25 characters or more, I'm going to say digital ebook online. So head over to category, and in this category you're gonna have to select the category of my ebook. So here I have book, magazines, and audio. Click that and you're gonna have to select the book. Let's say literature and art, and you have this further category, literature. Now the category is loaded up, and once that's entered, we're going to proceed to the next step. So that's done. So the brand, what's the brand? So go ahead and select this to add your brand. If you can find your brand, go ahead and add a new brand or choose no brand. Then the next is product attributes. Enter the publisher, the editor, ISBN, and ISSN, translator, number of pages here, version, quantity per pack, author, cover type, edition type, language. Then head over to product details. You're going to have to add a description of your ebook. You have to enter the description here or use the AI generated product description to generate if you're feeling really lazy. Then the next is video. Add the video of your book. So you just do a very creative video of your book. It has to be between 16 and 9 minutes. Maximum 5 sounds is 100 MB. Ensure you follow that. If you want enable variations, go ahead and toggle these on to enable variations. If you don't want that, leave that out. And then you have the price in stock, present via code, retail price, quantity, seller SKU, put that in. And you have the shipping, which weight package, put that. You have product dimension as well. You need to fill that in, and once you are done, go ahead and select submit for review and wait for TikTok Shop to let you know if your ebook has been accepted. So once it's out, you're going to see that it's going to be available for listing and it's going to be added to your shop. Then you can sell from there. So that's pretty much the process. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.